The whole world is there to make you feel demotivated. The whole world is there to tell you that you are good for nothing. The whole world is there to make you think that you can't do anything. The whole world is there to tell you that you are a failure. Only you can make yourself that you can do everything whatever you do. First question would be how much money that you earn, what you are doing right now, what is your profession, what you're doing right now, what is your profession, and then they will respect you. If you're if you'll say I'm doing nothing, I'm विल्ले घूम रहे हैं, they will not respect you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grow with Mamata, and this is Mamata guys. In today's video I'm going to be talking about 5 mistakes that we actually make but we do not aware of them. And yes, those are ruining our life but we do not know. So I'm going to be addressing all those mistakes, and yes, I want you to be aware of them and actually be free from them, because those are just wasting your time and just making you culprit of your life. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. So first thing that I think from my perspective, what I feel about that is that stop demotivating yourself, start motivating yourself. Even things are not going as per your desires, as per your wishes. Life is something that is never going to be as you want. It is going to be as it itself. So you have to accept it that whatever I'm thinking, maybe it is right, maybe it is going to be happened, maybe it is not. I need to allow it. Well, in the morning you have to do only one thing. First thing that you have to do is that you have to pick up a video on YouTube. Actually when we wake up, our hand reaches to pick up our phone, so just go and pick up your phone and use your headphone, earphone and Bluetooth, whatever you use. Just put your wires into your ears and just listen to a motivational video which you like, in which you are interested. Listen to that, and that is going to make your whole day, right? This is what that I am doing, because I think throughout the day, whatever is going to be happened, it depends on your morning mindset. Watch a video. If it is in English, so that's great, but if it is in your own language, the goal is to make your mind, make your subconscious mind to feel motivated early in the morning. So this is what that I wanted to tell you. And second thing that I would like to tell you is that don't be too lazy, because laziness is something, it's just owning ourselves, it's just owning all of these guys, all of us. So laziness, you need to avoid it. You have to get rid of your comfort zone, otherwise you're not going to do something in your life. If you're lying on your bed, you're not doing something, you're just scrolling your phone, you're wasting your time, you're chatting somebody with somebody, you're talking to somebody, you're just wasting your time. Feel, sometimes spend time with yourself. Sometimes you have to make time for yourself, because you can only understand yourself, what you want from your life, what you deserve actually. This is what I wanted to tell you. Life is so interesting. Someday you feel motivated, someday you feel demotivation. It is life. You need to accept it, because every day is not going to be a good day for you, a very amazing day for you, interesting day for you. Every single day something will happen that will make you demotivated, that will make you like angry, that will make you like you're good for nothing. But even still, you have to think of it that it's okay, it is life. Okay, it is like a roller coaster. Someday it is like this, it is rolling, cycling like that. Okay, so this was the second thing. Don't be too lazy. Use your body is just like, our body is just like an instrument. When a machine is being used, as that machine has that capacity, if you're using your body as much as your body's capability is, so that's good. But third, I would like to tell you is that mm, don't analyze more, because it's our bad habit. We whenever we are going to do something, anything, it might be anything, maybe preparation for an examination, maybe to get a job, maybe to preparation for any interview, for I mean maybe to start a business, maybe to start any kind of things in your life, we analyze a lot. And there is a quote that I would like to share with you guys: a lot of analysis leads to paralysis. More you are analyzing, the more you are analyzing, the more you are paralyzing yourself. Your thinking is going to be paralyzed. Don't do that. Start that. Instead of thinking a lot, start do that. If you know that it is legal, I'm doing legal, I'm not doing, I'm ethical, I'm doing ethical, legal, I'm not doing something wrong or bad, start doing that. If that is giving happiness to you, don't feel afraid about the people, because this is, the whole world is there to make you feel demotivated. The whole world is there to tell you that you are good for nothing. The whole world is there to make you think that you can't do anything. The whole world is there to tell you that you are a failure. Only you can make yourself that you can do everything, whatever you do, whatever you can think. Okay, so don't analyze more. Instead, start doing something in which you are interested and you feel that's your passion. You feel like, if I do this, I feel happy, I enjoy it. Do that, because life is too short. We are not gonna get another life. Don't give your time to somebody, don't waste it. Okay, learn skills, any kind of skills that you ever thought of learning. Okay, so fourth thing that I would like to tell you is that surround yourself with right kind of people. What do I mean by that? I mean, surround yourself with right kind of people. Maybe your family. If there would be some people, they are so toxic, you need to avoid to talk to them. You know what I feel? I'm telling you my own personal experience. When I talk to somebody who is so negative, I automatically start feeling negative. My also all those thinking starts feeling, all my mind also starts feeling negative. I also, what are, why it is happening? Because their aura, the aura that they are releasing, that they are emitting from their words, from their body, from their mind, those are just catching me, those are just sucking my positivity out. So what am I telling you? Don't surround yourself with toxic people, negative people. They are teasing you, they are motivated. Why do you need to be with them? You need to think of it. I'm alone, that's good. Okay, if you do not have anybody, there is an internet. You can surround yourself with the right kind of people. You can follow those guys who are doing something well, who are motivating you, who are making such videos. Those are really changing someone's life. You need to watch those videos. You do not have to waste your time. Okay, you need to learn something. You can learn so many things through internet rather than wasting your time on reels, on WhatsApp, on call, on anything. Until you get success, you do not have to waste your time, because when you get success, so you have time to do whatever you wanted to do. I mean it, to be honest, I'm telling you. Okay, so fifth thing that I would like to tell you is, I think it's really common thing, you might have heard it, is that choose your friends. That impacts a lot. If you are in a wrong surroundings, if you are with toxic friends, for example, let's take a look at an example. If you are spending most of your time with smokers, someday or the other you will also start tasting smoking. You will also start smoking. This is what that I wanted to tell you, is that leave those toxic people, cut them off, chicken out with them, postpone to talk to them. This is what, because this is only the way to make yourself a better version. Because you are learning English, you are practicing, you are learning this, you are doing that. Surround yourself with those guys who are also learning English, who are on the same path, who are also learning this language. This can help you a lot to improve your English language. And yes, choose your friends, because you know what I've done when I was in my that was too bad. When I was in my 12th class, I was completely alone because I left my all of the friends, because my goal was something else. That was high level goal, because that was not relating to those guys. Then I thought these guys are just going to make my thinking a little tiny. I'm thinking something big about my board examination. I want to get some better marks in my board examination. I need to leave all these guys. I started taking online classes. I stopped those guys. I stopped talking to them. Also, I cannot say talking to them when I go to the college, when I go to when I go to school. They just talk to me. I also talk to them. But you know what I did, that I stopped spending most of time with those guys. Never be distracted. If you know that I'm getting distracted, stop that. First priority should be your goals, because goals are really important. Whenever you will go, after some years, when you go somewhere, people will not going to ask you, hey, how are you, what about your health. First question would be how much money that you earn, what you are doing right now, what is your profession, what you're doing right now, what is your profession, and then they will respect you. If you're if you'll say I'm doing nothing, I'm विल्ले घूम रहे हैं, they will not respect you. And also, we don't need to ask respect. This is what we have to earn. So I hope I have tried to talk to you from my bottom of my heart, and I've told you something. If you follow that, definitely you are going to change your life, as I'm trying to change myself. Because the day where you start changing yourself, not to this world, people they just try to change this world, change somebody else, change their parents, change their friends, change this person, change that person. Nothing you're gonna get from those guys. Until you start changing yourself, you are not going to get anything. You're going to just get hate from all those guys, because nobody wants to be changed. Start changing yourself. If they also want to be changed, so they will look at you, and they will be willing to change themselves. So I hope you got the idea whatever I wanted to tell you. I hope this will help you. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed it, so please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions for me, so let me know in the comment down below. And be aware of your time, care about yourself, like yourself, improve your life, and be better version of yourself. Okay, thank you, bye.